Hello and good morning students, I am Shudipto, your English class teacher. Today I am going to teach you the grammar portion, and today I am going to give you the exercise answer of second chapter of your book, grammar book, Tune into Grammar. And it is for class 8 students, okay? You have told me several times that sir, you are not giving me the grammar, the answer, exercise answer. So that I have decided I will give you the total exercise grammar. So no need to worry about this, no need to take any type of tension, because your PT is coming on, PT1 is coming on. So you have to connected yourself with your study, so that in the time of your examination you will be fully confident about your exam. So here I am going to give you the answer. Please open at your book. The second chapter, and the name of the chapter is noun. Okay, name of the chapter is noun. So underline the nouns in this sentence, arrange them in the table. Okay, so here I have created a table, and between this table I have written in the first row I have written the name of the nouns, and accordingly within the table I have put the name of the nouns, so that it would be very easy to you. Whenever you will find this, you will watch this video, you will come to know easily what things is from which group of noun. So here the first question is on your screen. You may also open your book. Yes, the first question is: the herd of buffaloes ran as fast as they could from the lioness. Okay, so you have to write, you have to underline, or you have to identify the nouns and arrange them in a table. So it is the table. So here buffaloes and lioness, there are two nouns and there are from common nouns. Okay, and herd means a group of buffaloes. Okay, it is called herd of buffaloes. So herd is collective noun. Next, Renita tried making pasta, but she burned the butter in the pan. So there are four nouns. What are they? One is Renita, second is pasta, third is butter, and fourth is pan. Okay. So Renita, any name, any particular name of a people, name of a state, name of a city, name of a thing, they all are from proper noun. So here Renita also from proper noun. Okay. Next, common noun, pasta. Pasta means one type of food. It is called pasta. Pasta, butter and pan, these are from common noun. Next, page number 12, your grammar book, page number 12, chapter number 2. Will she be going to Shimla? So Shimla is a name of a place, and definitely it is from proper noun. Fourth is, Grandpa goes for a walk to the park every morning. There he admires the flowers and the trees. So here Grandpa, park, flowers and trees, there are four nouns, and these four nouns are from common noun. Okay. Now next, question number 5. Will you give these shoes to the cobbler to mend? Will you give these shoes to the cobbler to mend? So here there are two nouns, one is shoes and second is cobbler, right? It is from common noun. Now next, Amar was awarded for his diligence and dedication towards his work. So, diligence and dedication and Amar, there are three nouns. So, the first noun is Amar, it is from proper noun, and diligence and dedication is from abstract noun. Okay. Now, the next sentence is, the team of cricket players celebrated its victory at the club. So, there are four nouns, two are from common noun, that is players and club, one is team, that is from collective noun, and victory is the abstract noun. Okay. Now next, the school took the children to the Science Museum in Delhi. So there are four nouns. One is Delhi, that is from proper noun. School, children and museum, they are from common noun. Okay. Now next, can you spot the leopard on the tree? So there are two nouns, one is leopard and second is tree. They are from common noun. Now next is Anushka wrote a large letter. So Anushka, it is a name of a girl, so definitely it is from proper noun. Oh sorry, I am sorry, Anushka wore a large hat. So hat is from also common noun. Question number 11, the night watchman stood with a stick in one hand and a torch in the other. So here are four nouns, one is watchman, second is stick, third is hand, fourth is torch. The 12th question, honesty is the best policy. So here honesty is abstract noun. Okay. So this segment is done. Now go to the practice segment and the question number is 1. Okay, I will give the answer. Before that, so you have to give the answer. A dash of wolves. So fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns from the box. Here in your book there is a blue box, and in that box there are some name of collective nouns such as cool, ship, clump, cheer, constellation, pack, choir, band, litter, murder, block and bunch. Here are some questions. There are 12 questions. So you have to pick the correct collective noun from the yellow box and you have to write it down. The first question is 1. A dash of wolf. So it is called a pack of wolf. Second is a band of musicians. Third is a school of dolphins, but it is also called a pod of dolphins. The use of pod is standard English. Okay. Then the school. Now question number 4 is a litter of puppies. Question number 5, a clump or a forest of trees. Question number 6, a choir of singers. Question number 7, a constellation of stars. Question number 8, a bunch of papers. Question number 9, a sheaf of grass. Question number 10, a block of flats. Question number 11, a murder of crows. Question number 12, a chain or a cluster of islands. Okay, so the practice session is completed. Now practice A is completed. Now practice B question. Fill in the blanks with abstract nouns. Use the words in the brackets to make the abstract nouns. Okay. So here you have to guess dash is only skin deep. So you have to use the abstract form of beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. So we have to transfer into abstract noun form. Okay, so here is the answer. The first answer is beauty. Beauty is only skin deep. Second is every year the Sharmas go on a pilgrimage to Tirupati. Question number third, meditation is necessary for relaxation. Question number four, the woman trembled with fear when darkness covered the village. Question number five, the student was filled with unshaken determination to do well in the examination. Question number six is the students, six is one must show some compassion and kindness toward poor children. Question number seven, the tailor took the measurement for the garments very carefully. Question number 8, Christmas is a season of joy and prosperity. Question number 9, the audience got bored because the play provided them with no entertainment. Okay, question number 9 is entertainment. Then 10, many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for what? For independence. Okay, few days ago we have celebrated our Independence Day. Okay, now question number 11 is wastage of food should be avoided at any cost. There are many who die of hunger due to shortage of food. Question number 12. Question number 12 is dash is a good quality. Cleanliness. Cleanliness. Here the 12 and cleanliness is the good quality. Now question number C. Here is the answer of question number C. Here, question number C is form abstract nouns from these words. Form means you have to transfer, you have to create. You have to create what? Abstract nouns from these words. So captain, captain is what? Captain is noun. Okay, and you have to make the abstract noun from this common noun. Captain is common noun, so you have to write or you have to make or you have to form the abstract noun. So what is the abstract noun form of captain? That is captaincy. So deep, depth, bored, boredom, high, height, hate, hatred, child, childhood, king, kingdom, decide, decision, cheap, that is cheapness, friend, friendly or friendship. Sorry, friendly is not abstract noun. Friendly is adjective. Okay, I'm very sorry. So here friendship is the abstract noun. True, is truth, and question number 12, that is deceive, D-E-C-E-I-V, deceive, so deception. Okay. Now, question number D. What do these collective nouns describes? Collective nouns describes means this collective nouns implies what? Here, S-H-O-L, shoal, shoal of fish means a group of fish is called shoal. Fleet, a group of ships or a group of cars is called fleet. Gang, a group of robbers or thieves is called gang. Congregation, a group of worships, okay, a team of worship, a group of worship, a collection of worships is called congregation. A group of a group of snakes or thieves is called den. Okay, and the group of books is called stack. A group of ants or bats is called colony. A group of caterpillars or frogs or soldiers is called army. A bunch of or a pack of grass is called tarp. A group of or a pack of a bunch of cards is called deck. A group of employees are called staff. A group of stars is called galaxy. Okay, so these abstract nouns, these nouns are very, very important, not only for your exam but also for your whole through life. There are also answers. It is up to D. It is up to D. So students, there are more, two pages are there, so I have to stop now. In the next video class, I will add the rest of those two pages, and in the coming live class, I will discuss the previous chapter, means from the chapter of sentence. Okay, so be present in this class so that every type of confusion, every type of doubts, every type of question may solved. So till then, stay safe, tune with us, stay safe at your home, connect with your study. Goodbye, have a nice day.